So, good news is that there are no drips in the ground, but notice that I'd wiped off my oil pan, and now I've got this. So it appears that I got a lot of stuff coming off of whatever that is on the front of the engine. So that thing there appears to be totally soaked. Pretty close to the exhaust here. And to get my face under there, I may need to, let's see, maybe over here by the exhaust I can see a little bit better. So, that's interesting. That's the air conditioning compressor. So it looks like I need to clean that all up, but it doesn't look very good.